the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Direct Cool Inverter Refrigerator. It comes in 7 different colorways: Camellia Purple, Camellia Blue, Camellia Black, Pebble Blue, Inox Wave, Paradise Bloom Purple, and Blue Wave. It is available in 198-liter. And it is 4-star and 5-star rated for energy saving. It features horizontal curved design, digital inverter, stabilizer free, and smart connect inverter. The softly curved round top shape and unique gyro handle design. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Smart technology that changes your life. Its inbuilt stabilizer free operation protects the refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy saving, along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of solar connector refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. We design your home of everyday life. Samsung Direct Cool Inverter Refrigerator.